Hello guys, if you ask me what is the best business to start in 2024, I'm gonna tell you it is affiliate marketing. I've been making thousands online with affiliate marketing. Just with Amazon alone, I made over $100,000. Let me show you. So I'm promoting, this is one of my channel where I'm promoting watches, like luxury watches, like some Rolex watch, and I'm making video using completely AI to create the video. So people are buying. There are some watch I make over 2,000 for one sale on them. So you see, that's a permit from Amazon. So let me refresh. If I refresh for you, you can see just this week I received more than $25,000 because of just affiliate marketing. I'm just take a product on Amazon and I'm creating content around this product and I promote it, boom, I receive commissions like clockwork. So you can say, Vanel, you get a fan base, you get people to go and visit all things that you publish. Let me tell you, you see this channel, it only has 400 people. But I keep posting video every day and I post a lot of shorts video and I don't need a lot of traction to make a sale. So that's one example. You may say, oh, it's work for Amazon. Give another example. So I am an affiliate marketer for pay-per-call network like Market Call. You can see how much I make with Market Call. I make over $200,000 for the last 5 years working with Market Call. As you can see, my balance right now, $21,900. Let me refresh so you can see. I just refresh, you can see it's still intact, still the same. Why I show you this? And I want to tell you something. Don't give any excuses. Go right now, start making money with affiliate marketing. It's one of the best business model. So what is affiliate marketing? You just refer someone to a product and the company gives you a cut because you are the one that bring the sales or that bring that person to take an action. So affiliate marketing, the best way to do it, you will need a website. So I use Bluehost to create my website. I create a website, and this website, and I create some landing page around the product that I want to promote, and I make some review. This is the link of the website. Let me just open this for you. So you see, this is 10 best Rolex watch. This is the link that I put below all my video in the description. So whenever someone just click on this link, they go to my website and they see the Rolex watches and they buy. So the same thing, I use this to create some landing page for Market Call and for pay-per-call business. And whenever someone just go to this landing page and take an action, I make money. So example, you can see this is one of the example of our landing page for pay-per-call affiliate marketing. So now the question you have, Vanel, when can I start? The one thing that I like with affiliate marketing, you don't need time to start. You can start right now. You just need to have the courage. You just need to be ready and say that I'm gonna make it. Why I prefer affiliate marketing between among or over something like drop shipping, selling something online. With affiliate marketing, you don't have any inventory. You don't have to do the back end. When people buy, you have to return product, or you have to do a lot of things in the back end for your customer. With the affiliate marketing, the only thing you have to do is to bring the traffic. So nowadays, I use platform like TikTok and I create video around a product, and when people buy, I make money for free on TikTok. The same thing on YouTube. I have 2 YouTube channels. I have one named Travel Addicted, and I have another one, the With You Guys. All these 2, they are less than 1,000 followers, 1,000 subscribers. Don't find any excuse. I just keep making video. So as you can see at the top of my channel, you can see how many views I received the last 60 minutes and the last 48 hours. So these are targeted views, people interested about what I'm posting, and whenever someone buy, I make money. So guys, I break this video for you just to make you see there is hope. You can start leveraging powerful tools like affiliate marketing and use Amazon, all other platforms to start making money. If you want me to coach you, you want me to help you, the only thing you have to do, comment down below. Let me know where you are watching this video, and I will be more than happy to help you. Affiliate marketing changed my life. It can change yours too. The only thing you have to do is to take action. Start right now. Join some affiliate marketing platform. Start promoting. Start sharing links. And you will tell me, thank you later. You will say, Vanel, you give me the best advice. And now I'm making money like you. Thank you for watching. If you like it, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment down below. Bye-bye. It was your friend, as always, Vanel. Bye-bye.